Hi all. Today we are going to discuss operators in JavaScript. Hope you guys are watching from day 1 till day 4. Till now 4 sessions are completed. This is my fifth session about JavaScript operators. Guys, today's session is a long session. Please watch till end of the session. Please don't skip. Why? Because we are going to discuss a important operators apart from what you know. In every programming language, a common operators we have, but in the JavaScript we have a special operators, and today I'm going to discuss each and everything in this session. Okay guys, if you like our videos, please, okay, if you are watching, if you are enjoying our videos, please like the video and please leave your comments so that I can do more videos for you guys. Okay, so let me start the session then. Okay, let me open a notepad file. So let me open couple of things. Let me write it for you guys. First of all, we will see about operators in JavaScript. What are the operators? In every programming language we have operators, that is I'm sure, but here we have some special operators also. The first one is about a arithmetic operators. Okay, and then we have kind of a sorry guys, there is a assignment operators. We have a assignment operators, and then we have a comparison operators. Okay, and fourth one is the logical op. Even we are going to discuss a use case also guys, and we have a bitwise operators and ternary operators, and then we have a kind of a type of operator guys. This is also a type of, these are this is a unique in JavaScript. It's not available other programming like. Okay, and there is a delete operator, and we have a in operator, and then we have another couple of operators we have guys, and instance. Okay, instance of operator, and the last one is called spread operator. Guys, so many operators we have. I am going to discuss today's session about the operators in JavaScript. Okay, so we will start the programming. Okay, I don't want to spend much time about a theory session, so we'll directly jump into our programming guys. Okay, so what I can do, let me create a folder for you here, 04 underscore js underscore operators. Okay, now, okay, why it came, okay, something is they came, just let me delete it here, I don't want. Yes, yes, operators. So let me create. What I will do, the first will be create about the arithmetic operators guys. So what I can do here, let me make it a name for you, arithmetic.js. Okay, so see here guys, I'm taking two numbers, I don't want to waste your time, and see where number 2, number 2 equal to 20. We have, you want to do addition of two numbers, so everyone knows about how to do. Just see console.log. You know, like arithmetic operators, we have a addition, subtraction, everything, right? So let me make it as a num2. This is about a arithmetic. So what I will do, let me copy paste for you everything, then we will be change the also. Now I want to do subtract of two numbers, then I want to multiplication of two numbers, then I want to division, and I want to do a modulo operator. Okay, I think this is the sufficient to print our numbers. This is a simple arithmetic operators. Right click, run code. See here, just you got the information. If you do subtraction, addition, everything, this is about arithmetic operators. Another approach, I want to print using a backtick operator, like see here, a backtick operator. Now see here, like I can say console dot log of, instead of single quote or double quotes, this is called a backtick. See here, I want to print the sum. See, another way of representing, another way of printing your number. See, num plus number 2. Just I want to print the number 2. That's it. This is another way of printing the data by using a backtick operator. Let me clear the screen and run the code. See, sum is equal to 30. Hope you guys are clear about what is arithmetic operator. Now see here, I want to take some use case. Now I want to let me take a number let me number equal to some 20. Okay, like what kind of user I want to do, whether the number is even number or not, just I want to print the information. How to do, see here, like if till now I didn't discuss about any kind of to you guys conditions. Maybe I can say loops and everything we will be discussed soon later on time. Now see here, let me make it sub by using whatever you know the operators, like see this number, I mean to say by using if condition, I'm verifying whether this number is modulo 2 equal to 0, then I want to print this is a even number. Okay, this is a even number, so dollar, and let me make it as a number. This is called is even number here. Okay, this is a even number. Oh, I think I missed here. Now here, see, this is about a, this is called a backtick operator. Suppose if it is a not a even number, just I want to print the log, console dot log of another way number. See here, this is called is odd number. Just by using backtick and by using normal log statement also I return here. Right click, run the code. See, 20 is a even number. Hope you guys clears what is a arithmetic operator. Now this is called an arithmetic operator, guys. Now let me create as another one app2 underscore like assignment.js. Now here see, so let x is equal to 10, some number. Okay, now I want to assign some value. Suppose I want to increment by 5. Now how to see x is equal to x plus 5. Now see, this is kind of a assignment operator, guys. Okay, we have other assignments also, but as of now this is more than sufficient. See here, right click, run the code. See, 15 is printed. Now here we can do a some kind of a shortcut here. How I can do, see here, x here plus equal to, and just you can make it as a 5 here. That's it. This is another way of defining. This is the shorthand form. Now right click, run the code. See, 15 is printed here. Suppose you want to multiply, instead of the adding you want to do a multiplication. See, and star equal to 2. Now see here, console.log of x. Then this is kind of a assignment operator. Now see here, right click and run the code. So you can able to print that data. Now what I can do, see, that is printed. This is kind of a assignment operator here. Okay, now let me jump into another operator, kind of a comparison operator, underscore comparison dot js. Just I've written like this. Now let me take two variables. Let a equal to 10 and let b equal to 20, and just you can use console dot log. These are all kind of a comparison operators, guys. A double equal to b, just it will be verify whether the true or false. Okay, now see, we have a lot of assignment operators, sorry, comparison operators. See, a double equal to b, a not equal to b, or a greater than or equal to b. Okay, a just I want to see whether the it's kind of a conditions later on time when you are writing a bigger programs, then it will be a more useful to you guys. Okay, less than, greater than, and what we have, and less than, greater than, sorry, what we can do. Okay, let me remove this equal to, and what I can do like this, so that you will can able to less than or greater than equal to some kind of things. See here, let me clear the screen and right click, run the code. See here, guys, false, true, false, true, false. See, that's you are getting the output here. Okay, just I want to see whether the this is based on the conditions. You can go ahead and use about the comparison operators also. These we can do some use cases also later on time. We will be discuss the use cases, not right now. Okay, so this is about a comparison operators. Then we have about a logical operators. Okay, let me for underscore logical dot js. Now see here, now let a equal to 10. Okay, let b equal to 20. Okay, and see, console dot log of a, and there is a symbol. Okay, end symbol. This is kind of a what this is called of logical operators, guys. Okay, let me copy, paste here. See, there are three things are logical operators: and, or. See, sorry, This is the or and not equal to. See, not equal to a. Like this, you will get it at the data like that. These are all kind of a, you will get output as a true or false only, guys. Now see here, 20 a and b, okay, 20 and c and b. Here you will get a some data. This is a kind of a, oh sorry, it's my bad, guys. Logical operators data type will be a what, guys? Data type will be either it can be a true or it can be the false, not the numbers. It's my bad. Now see, false. Right click, run the code. See, a and b, true or false? False. A or b, true or false? True. And not equal to a. A is means what? A true. I want not equal to, that is a false. This is called about logical operators. Hope you guys are clear about another important operator I'm going to discuss in the real time. Definitely you will use this operator called ternary operator. Okay, you want to check the condition. Basically this is the syntax, guys. See here, here you will have a condition. Okay, till now you know how to write a conditions. Question mark, if it is a true, first one will be execute. If it is a false, second one will be here condition. And if this is success, it will execute true. If it is a failure, it will be execute the false. This is an alternative for if else ladder. If else conditions, you can use it. Now this is the shorthand. See, where guys, you can use a where keyword also, no problem. Later on time I will be discuss about differences between, don't worry. As of now, see here, here I can use where age equal to 30, or you can use, if you are comfort, why? Because throughout our sessions we are using a let keyword. Let it me use the let keyword only. Now I want to verify whether this guy is the adult or not. See here, is adult. Just I want to use see is adult. Now whether it can be a true or false. What is the condition? If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then this is the adult, else it is a false. Now what is the condition I can use? Age attribute greater than or equal to 18. If this condition is a success, I want to make it as a true, either I can make it as a false. That's it, very simple. Console dot log of is adult here. That's it. In the React JS, we will be use these kind of simple operations, guys, but you should know the basics. See, it's a true. Suppose if you're given as a 5 age, now suppose you can be as a 16 your age. Right click, run the code, and see, false. Hope you guys are clear about the ternary operator. Okay, and we have another operator called a type of operator. Already we discussed, but have a look here. Now what I can do, where a equal to 10, and see guys, where b equal to string data type hello, and where c equal to a true, a boolean data type, and where d equal to c, this is the one of the representing an object. Okay, representing an object. Now this is an array, and f equal to null. See here, oh so my bad, guys, mostly I'm using a where keyword, but okay, no issues. Now see here, now I want to print the data type. Console dot log of type of a, type of a. Now what I can do, let me print everything so that you will get to know the difference. Now see here and a. Now here, now let me make it as a b, and this is about a c, this is a d, e, and here f. Guys, even one important point you need to remember, even string is also a kind of a primitive value, not an object. Now see here, guys, right click, run the code. If you observe here, number, string, boolean, and this is an object, this is an object, and this is an object. Hope you guys are clear about what is a type of operator. Okay, and let me close everything, and let me create another operator, app7. Now what I can do, let me make it as a delete operator. Okay, basically in JavaScript we can represent an object in multiple ways. One of the object I am printing, just see here, course is equal to, this is an object here. Okay, I can provide key comma value, like let me provide id equal to 111, and let me provide a key name, I can say name of the course. Let me make it as a JavaScript here. JavaScript. See, this is the key and this is a well, this is one object in JavaScript here. Now, if you print the data, see console dot log of the course. Now see here, let me clear the screen, right click, run the code. See, your object is printed here. Okay, this is one way of representing the object. In the same thing, when you have multiple keys and values, another way we can represent here, see here, console dot table. This is a new one, till now we not yet discussed here. See here the representation of the output. Right click, run the code. See here, this is your index and this is the value. ID is key and triple one is the value here. Now I want to delete the particular key. ID triple one I want to delete. See, just we have an option called delete, simple delete. And from which object? From the course object, which key you want to delete? ID I want to delete. Then I want to print my data. See here, let me copy and paste it here. And let me clear the screen, right click, run the code. See here guys, initially we have ID comma name, then I can print the table. Now see, now JavaScript is printed here. This is the use of the delete operator. Okay, and this is one of the operator here. Till now what are we discussed? Up to delete here we have still in, instance and spread operator. Now have a look here. Now what will has a in operator? If you see here in this object, you have deleted. Now I want to verify whether my keys exist or not. That is the importance of the delete operator, sorry, in operator. See here, app8.in.js. Now here what I will be do, let me take the same object here, copy and paste it here. Now here console dot log of, here see what is the key you want to verify? Name I want to verify in the key whether this is available or not. So name in, and just you need to use a course. That's it. Nothing else is required here. Now save it here. Right click, run the code. Let me clear the screen and run the code. See, true, exist in the course. Now just to verify the course email I want to verify. This keys exist, so you received the true, but email is not exist. Obviously you will get the false. See, true comma false. This is the use of the in operator. Delete operator, you want to delete the key. In operator is used to verify the condition. Sorry, it is used to check whether the keys exist in your object or not here. Okay, and in and if you observe here, there is a spread operator here. This is spread operator. We have an instance operator. Let me jump into the instance also. There is a app9 called instanceof.js. Now what it will do, this instance operator is basically, see here, instance, this is available in Java also guys. Operator is used to determine if an object is instance of a particular class. It is used to verify whether it is a class or not. Now basically the syntax will be like this guys. Now what is your object? Whatever you define, instance of, just you can use the constructor. Now just observe here what is exactly. Suppose you can define as a string. Now see here, hello world. This is a hello world here. Now let result equal to string, instead of the here instance of string data type. That's it. See, it's kind of a constructor internal in the JavaScript is a string, normal constructor, you can think like that. Okay, now here what I can do, I want to print the result, console dot log of result here. Now what it will be do guys, in JavaScript, string is a not a object, string is a primitive data type. String is a primitive data type here. Now this is a see object instance of constructor, means this is not a kind of object, is a primitive data type here, so you should get at the false. See here, right click, run the code. See, false, you will get it. Now whether just this is what I am talking about, this is some just I'm expecting object. I'm clearly saying guys, object instance of constructor. This is not a object. Now you want to verify with a object data type, same thing, string one, result one, result one. See here, instead of the string data type, let me take as a object. This is also a false. See here, false, false, it is the object. Now what I can do, let me take, let me take an array, let me take an array here, let me take some numbers here, 1 comma 2 comma 3. As already we discussed about, this is the defining an array in the JavaScript here. Now I want to verify this part. See here guys, let me copy and paste it, result 2, here also result 2. This is not a string. See, this is a, now see, array. Just I'm using the array. What it will do, whether it is a true or false. Okay, now this is an array, so just I'm making as a string. See, right click, run as, uh, right click, run the code. See, oh, still we are getting. Now let me make it as, oh sorry, my bad guys, string one here also, and array, array. See, right click, run the code. See, true. So what I am trying to say in this particular example, string is a primitive value. It is not as a string data type, and it is not a object data type. This is a primitive value of type, but instance of operator is used to determine object is instance of a particular class. Array is an object, so I define an array here. Just I'm checking the condition. This is the use of the instance of operator here. Okay, last one we have guys, this is basically very important. Okay, why means this is introduced in ES6 features. This is called a spread operator. This is called a spread operator in JavaScript here. It's very basically, you suppose you define a kind of a one array. Let me take some numbers guys, 10 comma 20 comma 30. Then let number 2 equal to what I can do, uh, 40 comma 50 comma 60. Now I want to concatenate number one and number two. I need a output like a, like this guys. How you can do, 10 comma 20 comma 30 and 40 50 60. I want result in this way. You should not print console.log of num1 num2, but you need to do some operation, then you can perform. Here if you do without spread operator, it will be a some little bit, you need to write a logic. Instead of that, in ES6 feature, it is giving as a spread operator. What I can say, see here, this is the syntax here inside RAM. This is called a spread operator, dot dot dot. This is called a spread operator, number one comma and dot 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 number two. This is called a spread operator in the JavaScript. It's very important, please practice. Later on time we will be discuss about the use cases also, don't worry. Now right click, run the code. Now right click, run the code. See, data is printed. This is called a spread operator. Guys, hope you like the operators. Okay, if you're really okay enjoying the session, I'm expecting likes and comments guys, so share to your friends also. Okay, based on your like and comments only I can do more videos for you guys. Okay, thank you guys, we'll catch up in the next session.